Alright guys, so back again with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to edit cinematic videos using just your Android phone. Now I have been doing some cinematic shots, really noob style, but still I'm trying, and there's a guy who's asking for the tutorials, so I'm here with it. And the app I use is called Capcut, which isn't available in the Play Store for some reason, but I have sideloaded it and I'll put the link to the APK in the description. Also, to run the APK on its full action, you'll need a VPN. So you can use any VPN. For instance, I'm using ExpressVPN, and as you can see I'm connected now. And then we will open CapCut. Now we gotta go to new project and add the b-roll shots. If you don't know how to take the b-roll shots, you can just Google or just move the camera from there to there, from a point to point. You will understand when I post. So we're gonna just select the videos. I don't want to make it much longer, so I'll just select some. Now that we have loaded the videos, we'll just crop them a bit so that it won't go that long. So to cut the videos, we'll just use the split tool and make it short. After that, as you can see, it is split into parts. Then we're gonna delete the second part or the first part you want. And over here, as you can see, the leaves are moving, so we'll just cut the first part a bit, and then let's cut it to the middle. When deleted, we're gonna do same to the every video. Okay, now that the splitting part is done, we'll add audio, and first we'll turn off the video sound. So then we're gonna add audio and go to sounds, then go over to your sounds, click on from device and add a music. For example, I'm gonna use this one. I'll put two channel links in the description that provides really great cinematic music for your videos. One is Infraction, and another one I don't remember the name. It might be Audio Library. So you can check them out, or you can just sideload from anywhere. Doesn't matter. But first off, we're gonna split the audio. We're gonna remove this part since it doesn't contain any music. And yeah, and then we're gonna click on that and add some fade in the duration, and add the fade in the last. When done, the music part is done, and we'll cut it in the end. As you can see, it is the ending, and we'll split over here and remove the rest. When done, we'll now add filters. So we cannot color grade like in PC, so we are limited to the inbuilt filters that it provides. There's no much color grading going on here, just this on, but you can use remote. It brings the subtle red effect to the green colors, and it looks pretty fine. So we'll just continue using that over here, but you can use any regarding your choice. We're gonna decrease the effect a bit so that it looks natural, but keeping the red. So we're gonna do everything that here. It also brings up the sunny effect, which is pretty gorgeous if you're editing a bright video. And the next one should be this. Apply the filter accordingly. Alright, now that we have added all the filters, we'll just go over to these sections and add the effects. And going into basic, we'll go to blur and select 1 second, and we're gonna add this transition. You can add any regarding your choice. There are a lot, so I'll just go with blur and black fade because it looks more cinematic, and keep the transition time 1 second, sorry, 1 second or more, 1.1 anything. Alright, now that we have added all the filters, all the transitions, I think this one needs a bit more filter effect in my opinion. Okay, done. Now let the ending part is adding a bit subtle black effect of the first video and the last video. So going into in and going into fade, as you can see, duration, let's keep it 1.5 second. Yeah, that's it. And at the last we'll add out animation as same as fade out and going into 1.5 second. Yeah. Okay, if you want to add text, you can do that. So I'll just add text to the first footage, and let's make it cinematic like this, and let's keep the transition like text, going to effects, animation, in should be, you can, yeah, that, and let's keep it to 1 second. Yeah, that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So here, okay, wait. So here we have the cinematic video of us that we have just created, and that's the best maybe an Android phone can do, or maybe not, since this is my knowledge and I'm limited to it. I'll try different things in the future, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.